The long-awaited Sony A7V is finally beginning to emerge from the rumor mill, and for fans of the A7 series, the excitement is palpable. As the true successor to the fan-favorite A7 IV, the A7V is already generating buzz through credible leaks and confirmed model codes, signaling that Sony is ready to bring a serious upgrade to its full-frame mirrorless line. But before we get carried away with anticipation, it's essential to separate confirmed information from speculation and examine what this camera might truly offer, and whether it's worth the premium price tag Sony is expected to attach. Sony's A7 line has, without question, been a defining force in the full-frame mirrorless camera market. From the launch of the A7 III in 2018, which stunned the market with professional-grade features at an unprecedented price of $1,999, to the A7 IV in 2021, which brought a leap in both performance and cost, Sony has consistently pushed the envelope. Now, in 2025, the A7V is poised to continue this evolution, with early indications pointing toward a model that could redefine hybrid shooting for both photographers and videographers. One of the first questions on everyone's mind is the price. The A7V is anticipated to launch at a higher price point than its predecessor, with reports suggesting the US body-only version could retail around $2,799, possibly even $2,999. This is a significant step up from the A7 IV's launch, and when you factor in regional differences, the cost could be even higher due to taxes, customs duties, and VAT, particularly in markets like India. This naturally raises the question, is Sony merely leveraging its market position, or does the A7V come with technological advancements that justify the price increase? The most talked about feature of the A7V so far is its sensor. Leaks suggest two possibilities: a 44-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor or a 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. Both have compelling benefits depending on the type of shooter. A 44-megapixel sensor would provide incredibly high resolution, making it ideal for professionals who need extensive cropping ability, large prints, or exceptional detail. On the other hand, a stacked 33-megapixel sensor would likely excel in speed, processing, and low-light performance, offering quicker readout times that benefit hybrid shooters who need both photo and video versatility. Each option presents a trade-off between sheer detail and operational efficiency, and the final choice will likely reflect Sony's strategic positioning of the camera. Complementing the sensor, the A7V is rumored to feature Sony's Beyond's XR image processor, which has already proven capable in flagship models like the A1 and FX3. When paired with an AI-powered real-time tracking autofocus system, this combination promises unparalleled subject recognition. Whether tracking fast-moving subjects like athletes or animals, detecting eyes, or following vehicles in motion, the A7V could deliver highly precise focus in challenging scenarios. The integration of AI into autofocus means the camera could handle backlit scenes, busy backgrounds, and complex movement with remarkable accuracy. While AI autofocus is not flawless, particularly in very low-light situations or chaotic environments, the technology represents a significant step forward in reliability and versatility for hybrid shooters. Video capabilities are another area where the A7V is expected to shine. Reports suggest support for 4K 16-bit RAW output along with S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, making this camera a strong candidate for content creators, YouTubers, and independent filmmakers seeking high dynamic range and cinematic flexibility. With these features, the A7V could deliver footage that retains texture, color depth, and post-production latitude akin to professional cinema cameras. However, some potential buyers may feel that the absence of full-frame 4K at 60p or oversampled 6K could limit its appeal, particularly in 2025 when these features are becoming increasingly standard even in mid-tier models. Stabilization is another confirmed highlight. The A7V is expected to include an 8-stop, 5-axis in-body image stabilization system. This level of stabilization could allow photographers and videographers to shoot handheld in a variety of challenging conditions, whether walking, cycling, or in dynamic environments, without compromising image quality. While impressive on paper, real-world performance will be key. If Sony successfully implements this stabilization system, it could drastically reduce the need for tripods in many shooting scenarios. Additionally, dual card slots supporting CFexpress Type A and SD cards provide both redundancy and flexibility for hybrid shooters handling high bitrate video alongside high-resolution stills. In terms of body design, while no radical changes are expected, the A7V is likely to continue the familiar, sturdy build quality characteristic of the A7 series. The camera will probably be weather-sealed, lightweight, and ergonomically designed with a deep grip and customizable buttons. For professionals accustomed to Sony's form factor, the A7V should feel comfortable and familiar, while incremental improvements may enhance usability and control. This attention to ergonomics, combined with high-end internal components, reinforces the A7V's positioning as a serious tool for both photography and videography. Despite the promising specs, there are potential caveats. If Sony opts for the 33-megapixel sensor instead of the 44-megapixel variant, some photographers may feel they are missing out on higher resolution for large-format prints or detailed post-production work. Additionally, the lack of full-frame 4K 60p or 6K oversampled video might disappoint filmmakers seeking cutting-edge capabilities. And of course, the higher price remains a potential hurdle for many buyers. Balancing performance and cost will be crucial in determining how widely the A7V is adopted, particularly among enthusiasts who are price-sensitive but still demand professional-level features. Overall, the Sony A7V is shaping up as a true hybrid camera, carefully designed to bridge the gap between high-resolution photography and cinematic video production. Its rumored features, including the high-end sensor options, advanced AI autofocus, improved image stabilization, robust video capabilities, and continued emphasis on ergonomics, indicate that Sony is aiming to offer a comprehensive solution for hybrid shooters. Whether this camera becomes the ideal upgrade for photographers, videographers, or content creators depends largely on individual priorities, such as resolution, video output, and budget. For those who value cutting-edge technology, the A7V promises to deliver a significant step up from the A7 IV. Its potential sensor options offer flexibility depending on whether a user prioritizes resolution or speed, while AI-assisted autofocus could provide the precision and reliability needed for challenging shooting conditions. The stabilization system may enable handheld shooting like never before, and video specs suggest that content creators could achieve professional quality results directly from the camera body. Coupled with the dual card slots and familiar, durable design, the A7V is positioned as a versatile, all-in-one hybrid camera. That said, the A7V is unlikely to be perfect for every type of shooter. Sports and action photographers, for example, may find the frame rates limiting compared to specialized models in Sony's lineup. Likewise, those seeking the absolute highest video resolutions may need to consider alternatives if Sony doesn't include full-frame 4K 60p or oversampled 6K. Despite these potential drawbacks, the A7V remains a highly anticipated addition to Sony's lineup, demonstrating the company's commitment to refining and evolving its flagship mirrorless line while balancing innovation with user expectations. In conclusion, the Sony A7V appears to be more than just another incremental update. It represents Sony's effort to offer a high-end hybrid camera capable of serving both photographers and videographers with precision, flexibility, and reliability. With strong AI-assisted autofocus, impressive in-body stabilization, advanced video capabilities, and potential high-resolution sensor options, the A7V could set a new standard in the mirrorless market. Its final impact will depend on Sony's implementation of these features and whether it can strike the right balance between performance, usability, and cost. For those considering an upgrade, the A7V is certainly a model to watch. Its combination of professional-level features, familiar ergonomics, and hybrid capabilities makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to invest in a versatile, high-performance mirrorless camera. While questions remain about sensor choice, video options, and final pricing, early indications suggest that Sony is once again poised to deliver a camera that pushes the boundaries of what a hybrid mirrorless system can achieve. Ultimately, the Sony A7V represents the next evolution in the A7 line, promising to blend innovation with reliability, appealing to both seasoned professionals and ambitious creators looking for a single tool to cover all their imaging needs. This comprehensive breakdown shows that the Sony A7V isn't just a minor refresh, it could be the definitive hybrid solution for the modern shooter. With anticipation building, photographers and filmmakers alike will be watching closely as Sony prepares to reveal all the details and confirm whether the hype surrounding this highly anticipated camera is fully justified.